Welcome back to my channel. My name is Melanie Ferguson and you are watching Southern Crush at Home. Listen, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. If you wouldn't mind doing me a quick favor and hit that subscribe button as well as that little notification bell so that you can be informed every single time I put out one of these amazing videos. So today we are going to see what this amazing product can do. So this is the Rust-Oleum Imagine Effects in the Color Shift formula. Look at this cap. If that gives you a preview, oh my goodness, we're gonna turn some regular Dollar Tree snowflakes into these glam snowflakes. You guys, aren't they amazing? And then we are going to hang them on a mantle. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. All right, you just need a few simple supplies, including these wooden snowflakes from the Dollar Tree Crafter Square section and some bling. The Rust-Oleum paints are going to be something that you're going to want to definitely grab, and I will link them below in the video. So you're going to take these wooden snowflakes and just separate them right there. They're connected by this little elastic band, and then snip off, of course, the little tags that come with them. Now, you should have no trouble finding these. They are in the Crafter Square section at the Dollar Tree. And then we're going to place them here in a piece of cardboard. So this cardboard is perfect for spray painting. As you can see, I've used it in the past for other projects. And the first step is to spray paint the black base coat. This Rust-Oleum Imagine Color Shift needs to have a black base coat first. So after you shake the can thoroughly, you're going to want to spray this on the wooden snowflakes. My husband is doing a great job there. Of course, I had to, do my part by pointing out the part that he missed. And so there's that. But anyway, you're going to want to do this first in a well-ventilated area. Obviously, we're doing this outside. And normally you're going to want to do this 12 to 14 inches away from your object. However, it was like 45 mile an hour winds that day. So we had to spray pretty close to the project. But this is what it will look like. You do one coat on one side, and then I flipped them over and did a black coat on the second side. Then comes the magic. You guys, this is the actual color effects or color shift with the glitter effect look in the turquoise waters color. Look at how this goes on. If you look closely, you'll see like little sparkles of glitter up on the camera. It is so awesome. So awesome. It brings these snowflakes literally to life, and I cannot stand it how cute and awesome it makes it, so quick and easy. So after your, again, base coat had dried for at least about an hour, you can flip this over and do the color shift color on top. You can see it goes on really, really easily. Again, we had like almost 50 mile an hour winds that day, so we had to get pretty close to the project, but normally you're gonna wanna spray it about 12 to 14 inches away from your subject. Do you see the glistening? Oh my goodness. It is so awesome. You guys, you can use this technique on tons of different projects, but I really thought that these snowflakes made it super fun for a holiday project. And it did not disappoint. It did not disappoint. So here it is again. You can kind of see the different colors. You see from the different angles, you've got like greens and blues and aqua and obviously the turquoise. And there's the product again. It was the turquoise waters color. And look at all the colors. You can see it right there. So then I'm going to take the dried snowflakes. Of course, you want to let them dry a good couple of hours. And some of this bling, I'll link the bling below as well. But I'm taking just a pair of wire cutters and taking off the back of these little brooches. So they come with little pins on them that make them raised a little bit, and so I don't really want them raised. I want them flat in the middle of these snowflakes. So I'm gonna remove that little pin and do that for each one of these and hot glue them to the center of the snowflakes. So I went with 3 different designs of snowflakes, and so I'm just using random sizes of the bling. It doesn't have to be any particular size, but I just was going with the one with the largest center with the smallest, and vice versa. So you can literally mix and match the bling as you wish, or you can leave the bling completely off, but I wanted to go for a super over the top glam look for this Christmas garland. So once you get all of these hot glued on, you are simply going to take some really simple, aren't they cute? Looky there, so cute. You're gonna take some simple jute twine and just thread it back through where they were together originally with that elastic band. You're gonna take the jute twine and go in and out between each of the snowflakes to rethread them together. Now, of course, you can use a different material if you desire. I went with the jute twine because I was trying to kind of downplay a little bit of the I didn't want to use like a ribbon or something, extra. I was trying to kind of downplay all the glam. And so you can obviously get super creative and use whatever you want for stringing your snowflakes together. But this was thin enough. It really has to be super thin to go back through those little holes. But I know you can do it. I know you will figure out what you want to use, and you may want to use the jute twine as well. So I repeated this process in and out of all of these snowflakes, and I threaded them from behind. So if you notice, I put the thread down through the top and across the back of each snowflake so that the twine wasn't showing in the front of the snowflake, obviously. So it was getting a little bit tangled, and I just wanted to make sure that it was straightened out. So super, super easy and fun, actually, to make this project. So once you have them all strung together like this, I just kind of put them all back up on my surface so that they were where I could see. And then I took a minute to kind of adjust them in the center between each one and make sure they were approximately the same distance apart, so that they wouldn't look weird once I hung it. So guys, this is how it looks on my mantle. Look at how it glistens and sparkles, and it's totally ready for the holidays. So what I did was I took a fur-lined tree skirt and draped it across my mantle, and then hung my beautiful Color Shift Turquoise Waters snowflake Christmas garland on top of it. And I think it turned out amazing. Let me know in the comments below if you like this project and if you are inspired to try something like this for yourself for the holidays this year. I think it's just a pop of something unique and different, and I absolutely adore it. If you like projects like these, consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell for me. I hope that you will stick around for more holiday inspiration.